peekaboo! Today I brought you this amazing rustic farmhouse wooden floor lamp. It's beautiful and it's made of natural tree trunk, and it gives your house this very nice rustic retro decor. So let's open it, install it together, and see how it looks like in my house. Whoa, look at this. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. By the way, LED bulbs are included. Here they are in here. Those are the LED bulbs. Look, this is gorgeous. Wooden trunk like this. Woo. Those are also wooden for the lights. We'll be installing all of them. Oh, it comes with a remote control as well, so you can control it from far. It has two, and those are the extensions. They're wooden. It's heavy. Whoa, this is heavy. I removed all the nylon. Oh my God, look at this. This is like the base, and it's very heavy and nice. So what we do to install it is we need to pull this cord out from below. Oh, so that we can insert this here and start turning. We insert like the trunks like this, and then we twist. And we do this to all of them. Like that. We need to pull the cord out. And this last one, I'm so in love. Okay. Now we are going to install the light bulbs. We remove this one from here, then we insert it through this here, then we put this one from below and we twist it. Then we put the light bulb inside and we twist it in. Make sure that the hook is inserted from here to carry the weight of the light. This is it. Look at this here below. This sits on the floor, so whenever you want to switch it on, you just step on it. Switch on and step on it to switch off. It also comes with batteries, so all you need to do is install them. This is a remote control, and let's explore it. Oh my goodness. So we can change the temperature from white to yellow to vintage. And change the color here. And we can decrease the brightness and increase it. And this is a timer here. Also, let me see, what is that? Oh, this is white. And this is reading. Oh, this is like if you're working on a computer, you can use this one. And this one, if you are reading a book before bedtime. And this is a candle light. And this is a night light. I love it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.